Most of you don't have the books, some of you have. Since it's a lockdown, you can order from Amazon. Okay, uh, I'll click the picture, I'll put it in the group. You can order from Amazon and it will reach you. All right. First of all, what we have to see from here is we need to understand what is the slab we have to follow. Okay, and right now what we are following for this assessment here is this you have to follow as a slab. All right, please write down in your copies. You can just pause the video and you can write down in your copies. All right, so I'll just explain what is this slab because you may not understand this right now. All right, so see here, basically for individuals and Hindu undivided family or association of people, all right, these adjudications are given. So just try to think that we will think from the point of view of an individual. Okay, from the point of view of an individual. All right, so let's say if there is a human, if there is a person, Indian citizen, okay, and his age is less than 60 years. Remember, less than 60 years. All right, so this is the slab he has to follow. So if his income is, 2,50,000, okay, up to 2,50,000, he will not pay anything. If his income is more than 2,50,000, then he will be in this category. All right, so first, up to 2,50,000 it is nil. Any amount more than 2,50,000 will be in this category and he has to pay 5% on it. All right, and then if his income is more than 5 lakh, okay, exceeds more than 5 lakh, beyond 5 lakh, then first of all 2,50,000 nil, okay, and you will remove 2,50,000 out of that income which he got. All right, then remaining income, whatever is in between 2,50,000, that will be 2,50,000, because I said your income is more than 5 lakh, right? More than 5 lakh, let's say 5,50,000. Okay, so here up to 2,50,000 nil, then you remove 2,50,000, remaining income, okay, will be here. So in this also we have 2,50,000, 5%. Then remaining income beyond 2,50,000 we have to charge straight away. We have to put 12,500 plus 20% of that income. I hope this is okay. If you did not understand, no need to worry, because we will be taking up sums to understand this. All right, I hope you understood. All right, so this slab you have to remember. If you can't remember, it's okay, just write down somewhere, write 2-3 times, you will understand. All right, then if the age increases more than 60 years but less than 80 years, then this is the slab which continues in the next page. All right, this is the next page. All right, this is the next page. So this is the slab for 60 to 80. Okay, then 80 plus, okay, any age 80 plus, this is slab you have to follow. Please write down somewhere. Then for surcharge, you have to remember the surcharge, you have to write down this, and when we will use, I will explain you the use of it. Okay, these are the values we have to follow. Okay, and write it somewhere so that when we use, I can have the reference. The next for cooperative society, that was for individuals, HIU, okay, Hindu undivided family. Now this is for cooperative societies. All right, this is for cooperative societies. You can see the slab and write down. Third one is in case of firm means any business house. Okay, and this is how things will be. All right, so whatever the income will be, total 30% will be taken as income. Okay, tax will be taken as in tax on income, then 4% on that particular tax for education and health says. Then surcharge is 12% for the tax if, okay, if total income exceeds 1 crore. All right, so this is how we are going to deal with the firms. This video I'm going to keep it very short, but just explaining a bit. Then write down till here also. Okay, write this also. Then in case of companies, in case of company. Okay, I forgot to mention this, local authorities. Local number 4 is local authorities. We will hardly get sums, but it's better to write down and know. Local authorities like municipality is there. Okay, you have authorities from the state government side, and you have to calculate the income for them. Okay, so in case it is required, most of the time questions will be from individuals. All right, so this is more important. All right, this is important, this is very important, this is important, this is important, A is important, B is important, point number C is important. All right, surcharge is important. Then sometimes, if in case they give you cooperative society, this is very important, we'll have a sum from firm also. Then company form, yes, this is important. We need to know as a company how we are going to pay taxes and how we have to calculate. All right, then as per as deductions are concerned and rates are concerned, these are the deductions and rates given from here. All right, please read it once. Okay, if you don't understand any deduction, you can ask me. All right, so this is the second topic from this chapter. What we are going to do first is calculation of total income. Okay, second is total tax. Okay, so tax means tax liability. Remember, whenever I say calculation of tax, I mean to say tax liability. All right, so first is this, then second is this. All right, but you have to focus on more on this, because this one mostly question will be given in the question only, most of the things will be given, so it's not very difficult. uh, as per as chapter is concerned, you have to learn how to calculate tax liability. All right, and for that we need the slab. Okay, now method of taxation as per as theory is concerned, let me just explain you. There are two systems of taxation. Okay, first first system. Okay, first system here is uh, first system is a step system, and second one is the slab system. Okay, the slab system. So first one, as per as step system is concerned, here with this example, you have to understand what is step system. All right, and I'll explain you with the sum which is in the next page. Okay, uh, all right, it's here also. Okay, so see here, suppose there is an SSC whose total income is 5,59,000. All right, now we have to calculate his tax using the step system, not the slab system but the step system. All right, and we have shown you in this next page. So the step system says, what is the income? 5,59,000. All right, 5,59,000. And according to the step system, we have certain steps. Okay, from small income to the larger income. So 2,50,000 nil, 2,50,000 to 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%, above 10 lakh 30%. All right, so which this income is which, it belongs to which group? You can see here, it belongs to 5 lakh to 10 lakh. You have 5 lakh 59,000, so it's between 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Am I clear? All right, so this is what we have to follow. So accordingly, in the solution, you will be calculating tax will be this much into 20%, which I said in this page. All right, this one, 20%. So we are calculating here 20%, and it came how much? This is the value we got. Then you have to add health and education says 4% of tax, means 4% of this value. So 4% of this value will be this much. All right, so this is the total tax liability. All right, I hope this is okay. So this is what step system is. Now what is slab system? Let's understand slab system. So in the slab system also, it will be just like what, you know, a slab will be given to you. Here a slab was given, but you said you're following step system, means you have to follow the income and you have to find out which step we are in. Let's say this is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step. All right, so in which step does our income uh, belongs to? All right, so let's understand slab system now. So a slab will be given again. Okay, same slab we are following in the previous sum. Okay, we are going to follow this same slab. So same income again, suppose 2,59,000. In that case, how we are going to do? We are calculating. First on 2,50,000, it is nil, so I got 0. Okay, so out of this 2,50,000 is removed. 2,50,000 is removed out of it. Okay, then remaining income. Okay, remaining income, whatever it is, I have to check, does it belong to 2 lakh to 5 lakh? It is, because it is more than 2,50,000. So in this one, how much is the total income? So what you will do, out of this, simply remove this, minus this, whatever income you get. All right, whatever income you're getting, for this one it will be 2,50,000, because 2,50,000 already removed. So remaining income will be more than 2 lakh, more than 5 lakh, right? Okay, now when you remove whatever amount you're going to get from here, it will be 2,50,000. Okay, for that 5%. Then remaining income, whatever remaining income is, means you have to remove, out of this 2,50,000 is gone, then for this slab 2,50,000 again gone. So 2,50,000 means 5 lakh already gone. 2,50,000 here, 2,50,000 here, 5 lakh already gone, 59,000 remaining. Okay, so for the third one on 2,50,000, 20% you'll get this. So how did I calculated this one? It is 2,50,000 at the rate of nil, 0, done. All right, so out of this you keep a calculator in your hand, remove this. Okay, whatever income is, done. Then you remove this and you will see a larger income is there. Is it okay? So it will be 3,09,000 rupees. All right, 3,09,000 rupees will be here. Out of 3,09,000 you will be removing, because for this slab I need 2,50,000. Do I have? Yes, I have, because I have 3,09,000. So remove 2,50,000. When you remove 2,50,000 for this one, charge at the rate of 5% for 2,50,000. This is the amount you're going to get. All right, now remove 2,50,000 for this one, 2,50,000 again you have to remove. Now you'll be left with 59,000. Okay, for this one. All right, and you have to charge at 20% and you'll get this amount. All right, so this is the total of it. We got, add 4% on this amount, we got this amount, add it together. This is the total tax payable or tax liability. Is it okay? Then round it off. It is coming 272, no, it's coming 272. So round it off, it will be 270 to the nearest 10. Okay, I hope till here things are okay. Then rounding off, here they explaining rounding off, which you understood. Then what I have to teach you here is rebate has changed. Previously it was 2,50,000 rupees, now it is 12. Okay, now it is 12,500, and the age and the income which we have to see is 5 lakh rupees. Okay, which is written again in the next page. Okay, as per as your note is concerned, just write down this. Okay, write down this in your note. How much is the rebate? 12,500. And what is the income you have to see is, it should be less than 5 lakh. If it is more than 5 lakh, rebate will be 0. If your income is 5 lakh or more than 5 lakh, you will get a rebate of 12,500. All right, I hope this is okay. Now let's come to the assignment part for the video. Now assignment doesn't mean every time you will get internal 15 marks. Okay, assignment means every class I'm doing something, you also have to do something. All right, so question contains A, B, C, D. Alright. So what I'll do, I'll just do A. Okay, I'll do A. Your work is to do B, C. If possible, D. If you cannot, I'll do it. Okay. If you cannot, because I still remember in the class I have done a sum like this. Alright. I am repeating few things. For some of you it will be very easy because you already know, but I'm starting again because some of the students could not come to the class and they are in different states. Alright, so I cannot just start with some number 4 or 5 straight away until unless they do not have the base. So this video is for the base for everybody. Alright, so but this have to be done by everyone. Okay, doesn't matter, you know, so sir I know, so I'm not writing. You have to write. For this class you have to write the assignment. All right, so let's see point number A. Okay, how do we do? So income is given 2,20,064 rupees. All right, keep a calculator beside you. You will understand what I'm explaining. So total income here given is this much. First I will, because you have the slab. Okay, those who did not understand what slab you have to follow, remember this first one which I gave you. All right, yeah, this one. This is what we are going to follow. This is the slab. All right, so let's see how we are going to use this slab for solving these sums. All right, so point number A, total income is this. I'm following this slab. First 2,50,000 nil. All right, keep a calculator, put this amount in your calculator, reduce 2,50,000, whatever you're getting, check what is the income. Okay, now this income will be somewhere around 2,70,064, right? All right, now I'm just giving you the round figures. It's somewhere around 2,70,000. All right, now again second amount, again take 2,50,000 rupees. Okay, now this time according to the slab it is 5%. Find out the percentage. Total amount 12,500. Okay, now first you remove 2,50,000, you got some amount. Now again remove 2,50,000, you will get this amount left in your calculator. For this one it is 20%. Why so? From where 5% and 20% coming? From the slab. Okay, those who are not understanding, I'll just explain you from the slab again. First is what you can see. First is 5%, second is 20%. Is it okay? All right, so first is 5%, then second is 20%. All right, this is the amount you got. Am I clear? Okay, now you must be thinking, so what about plus 12,500? This is that amount. You don't have to calculate. When you're calculating for 20%, okay, it is already there 12,500, because they knew you have more income and you have to calculate 5% of this. It will always be 12,500. Am I clear? Those who are not understanding what I'm talking about, okay, see here the slab. Slab says if your income is this to this, okay, from 5 lakh to 10 lakh, then what do you have to do? You don't see this, you can straight away ignore this and you can just start with 20%. You just put this amount first and then 20% of the remaining amount. Is it okay? What I'm supposed to do is I will always take 2,50,000 nil, then remaining amount 5%, then remaining amount I will not look on this amount. These two amounts I'm going to ignore. Okay, then remaining amount 20%, then if something is there again 30%. Is it okay? This is what we are supposed to do. Why so? Because we are following slab, remember. Okay, we are not doing step system, we are doing slab system. Okay, so let's come back again to the sum. I hope you understood. 2,50,000 nil, then at 5% this much, then on 20% this much. Is it okay? So remaining income, always keep a calculator, put this amount, remove this first. Whatever you get, you know it is more than 2,50,000. So just for 2,50,000 take 5%, then remove 2,50,000, whatever income is 20% you have to take, and you'll get this. All right, then education and health cess on this amount, okay, always on this amount. Then this will be your tax, and then round it off. So it was 17172, right? So it will be rounded off to 070. Okay, now your homework is, or your assignment is, okay, I will always add 5 marks to your things, and then later on we will see how much you're scoring out of 100. Okay, so let's say in that case I'll try to keep my topics up to 20 topics. So if I'm doing 20 topics, each topic 5, that will be 100 marks. Is it okay? Then later on I will know how much you actually deserve. Okay, I'll find out the percentage from here. So let's say if a person is doing all 100, so 100 out of 100, right? So you'll get from my side internals, from my side, okay, I'm not talking about other teachers. From my side you'll get 15 out of 15, 100%. In case you're getting 80%, so I'll calculate 18% of 15, I'll give you 18% of 15. You get 90% of 15, so you'll get 19% of 15. So I hope this is clear. Okay, please do the assignment B, C, D. Okay, D using the sum which we have done in the class. Alright, if you cannot, you're free to ask in WhatsApp group, you can ask. Alright, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. And I'm so sorry I was not well, as you can get the sound also. Alright, thank you. Please do ask questions, okay?